Hey everyone, Team Codeve is back with a new video. Let us start. In this video, let us see the history or timeline and features of Python. What is Python? Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant indentation. Its language constructs as well as its object-oriented approach aim to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale projects. The programming language Python was conceived in the late 1980s, and its implementation was started in December 1989 by Guido van Rossum at GUI in the Netherlands as a successor to ABC capable of exception handling and interfacing with the Amiga operating system. In 1991, Python 09.0 was published and reached the masses through alt sources. Python reached version 1.0 in January 1994. The major new features included in this release were the functional programming tools Lambda, Map, Filter and Reduce. The last version released while Van Rossum was at GUI was Python 1.2. In 1995, Van Rossum continued his work on Python at the Corporation for National Research Initiatives (CNRI) in Reston, Virginia, from where he released several versions. By version 1.4, Python had acquired several new features. Notable among these are the Modula 3-inspired keyword arguments, which are also similar to common Lisp's keyword arguments, and built-in support for complex numbers. Also included is a basic form of data hiding by name angling, though this is easily bypassed. Python 2.0 was released on October 16, 2000, with many major new features, including a cycle detecting garbage collector in addition to reference counting, for memory management and support for Unicode. However, the most important change was to the development process itself, with a shift to a more transparent and community-backed process. Python 3.0, a major, backwards incompatible release, was released on December 3, 2008 after a long period of testing. Many of its major features had also been backported to the backwards compatible, well by now unsupported, Python 2.6 and 2.7. Features: easy to code. Python is very easy to learn the language as compared to other languages like C, JavaScript, Java, etc. It is very easy to code in Python language, and anybody can learn Python basics in a few hours or days. It is also a developer-friendly language. Free and open source. Python language is available for free in the official website, https://www.python.org/. Object-oriented language. Python supports object-oriented language and concepts of classes, objects, encapsulation, etc. Extensible feature. Python is an extensible language. We can write us some Python code into C or C++ language, and also we can compile that code in C/C++ language. High-level language. Python is a high-level language. When we write programs in Python, we do not need to remember the system architecture, nor do we need to manage the memory, get programming support. Graphical user interfaces can be made using a module such as PyQt5, PyQt4, WX, PyDHON, or TK in Python. Portable language. If a Python code is written in Windows, the same can be used in Linux or other operating systems also. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language because Python code is executed line by line at a time, like other languages C, Java, etc. There is no need to compile Python code. This makes it easier to debug our code. The source code of Python is converted into an immediate form called bytecode. In the next video, let us see the installation of Python language software in your PC. Stay home, stay safe. Get vaccinated at the nearest vaccination center. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you like the video. For more updates, subscribe to our channel Codeva. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Codeva.